Imagine having pasta every day, without feeling guilty. Wicked Good made this possible with delicious range of nutritious pasta. In a pot, boil water and add salt. Wicked Good pasta is packed with the goodness of flax seeds, lentils, chickpeas and more super grains. Loaded with protein, vitamins, minerals and fiber. This is pasta that tastes good, and is good for you. Wicked Good is 100% plant-based ingredients, refined flour-free, gluten-free and 100% vegan. Follow the package instructions and cook pasta accordingly. Check whether it is cooked. Strain out the pasta. Link of this pasta is mentioned in the description. Pour cold water. In a frying pan, add olive oil and minced garlic. Cook for a minute. Add chopped onion. Cook for 2 minutes. Add sliced mushroom. And add diced red, yellow, and green capsicum. In tomato puree, add Kashmiri red chili powder and mix it. Add tomato puree in frying pan and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Onion powder 1 tablespoon. Garlic powder 1 tablespoon. Mixed herbs 1 tablespoon. Chili flakes ½ tablespoon. Salt and pepper as per taste. Mix all ingredients and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add Wicked Good pasta and mix carefully. Totally new and fun way of having pasta. It is packed with a punch of protein and is totally Maida free. Tastes even better than your normal pasta. Must try. Add cheese.